Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Sulbha from TGP Nagpur, and today we have a discuss about the subject training and development, and in that we have discussed some topic that is included in training and development. So now start with teaching tools. Concept of teaching tools. Teaching tools are teaching aids that classroom teachers employ to help the students learn quickly and thoroughly. Teaching tools can be as simple as a chalkboard or as complex as a computer program because every individual learns in a different way. Teachers rely on these tools to explain concept to students with a wide variety of learning needs. Teaching tools are crucial for educators as they are keys in differentiating instruction for all types of learning. The importance of teaching tools in a modern classrooms like online teaching tools exist to help teachers in the classroom. These classroom tools for teachers allow students to fully understand what they are reading and help teachers align their lessons with these tools. So here are some 9 types of teaching method. Types of teaching method include differentiated instructions, lecture-based instruction, technology-based learning, group learning, individual learning, inquiry-based learning, kinesthetic learning, game-based learning, and expeditory learning. So, teaching tools and objects such as book, picture or map or device such as a DVD or computer used by a teacher to enhance or enliven classroom instruction, add audio-visual teaching aids. Teaching tools helps the teacher to get some time and make learning permanent. Teaching tools provide direct experience to the student. Need and importance of teaching tools. Teaching aids are an integral component in any classroom. The many benefits of teaching aids include helping learners improve reading comprehension skills as well, illustrating or reinforcing a skill or concept, differentiating instruction and relieving anxiety or boredom by presenting information in a new and exciting way. Here, some importance of tool assessment in teaching, that is, why use assessment tools? Assessment tools can be used to help support active learning, facilitate team building activities, and foster peer to peer learning. They also provide alternative assessment method and can be used to check in on a student learning in real time. Here are some 5 teaching styles. In the contemporary classroom, 5 distinct teaching styles have emerged as the primary strategies adopted by modern teachers: the authority style, the delegator style, the facilitator style, and the demonstrator style, and the hybrid style. So, Teacher Toolbox is a digital collection from which teachers can draw relevant standards based resources to introduce new concepts, to teach standard or help students learn prerequisite skills from earlier grades. Now, containing like teaching aids play very important role in teaching learning process. Importance of teaching aids are as follows. One is motivation. That means teaching aids motivate the students so that they can learn better, and that is also important. Clarification: through teaching aids, the teacher clarify the subject matter more easily because that is also important. Sometimes the teacher clarifies the subject matter more easily than the student so that they can learn better. Now, discouragement of cramming. Teaching aids can facilitate the proper understanding to the student, which discourage the act of cramming. Also, increase the vocabulary. In the modern India or in the modern way, increase the vocabulary very important for student because teaching aids helps to increase the vocabulary of the students more effectively. Next, saves time and money. Teaching aids are helpful to save time and money. Next, classroom live and active. That means teaching aids make the classroom live and active. Avoid dullness. That is, teaching aids motivate the student to take an active part and the classroom activities and avoid dullness. That is also important for a student, so they avoid their dullness. Then direct experience means teaching aids provide direct experiments to the student. Now, purpose of these teaching aids, the teaching aids are very purposeful because these are used in to supplement and enrich teachers own teaching to make teaching learning more concrete, to serve an instructional role in itself, to create interest among the group, to make a teaching as an effective process. To make teaching as an effective process. Types of teaching tools. One is audio aids, visual aids, audio visual aids, technology based tools and consideration. First one is visual aid. Visual aid means the aids which is use sense of vision are called visual aids. For example, actual objects, models, pictures, charts, maps, flashcards, flannel board, bulletin board, chalkboard, overhead projector, slides, etc. Out of this, blackboard and chalk are the commonest one. Audio aids, the aids that involve the sense of hearing are called audio aids. For example, radio, tape recorder and gramophone, etc. Audio visual aids, the aids which involve the sense of vision as well as hearing are called audio visual aids. For example, television, film, projector, film strips, etc. Now, the classification of audio visual aids. One is audio aids, visual aids, and audio visual aids. Audio aids including radio, tape recorder, gramophone, lingophone, audio CD, language laboratory. Visual aids containing chart, pictures, model, flannel board, textbook, flashcard, slide, projector, transparency, maps, black white board. And audiovisual aids containing LCD projector, film projector, TV, computer, VCD player, multimedia, virtual classroom. Now, the next consideration. A few considerations in this aspect are suggested to teaching tools are crucial to successful teaching. They are not a replacement for quality teaching strategies, or instead of relying upon teaching aids to do the instruction, these tools are used as supplemental resources for educators. Many students cannot perform to their fullest potential without the use of teaching tools, but no student can produce their best work without a skilled teacher behind them. Now, the technology based tool is since the dawn of the technology age, computers have proved to be the most multifaceted teaching tools available. With technology like digital video presenters, PowerPoint presentation, and educational software, teachers are now able to quickly and accurately enlarge any physical visual aid, create and edit informational slides, and can ultimately provide their student with information in a faster, more comprehensive way. Computers provide an interactive educational experience that engages learners and makes the task of preparing lesson materials less time consuming for teachers. Now, selecting the audiovisual materials. For selecting the audiovisual materials, these points may be kept in mind. Which one? That is, audiovisual aids should be integrated with learning, should be according to the age, intelligence, and experiences of the students, should be suiting the physical, psychological, intellectual, and social development of the group. Language should be familiar and understandable, should be accurate, truthful, and realistic, should be motivational and highly informative, should be available in the need. Factors influence the choice of teaching aids like the nature of audience, size of class, level of understanding, age of learners, then aptitude, then experience. So, the nature of change desired in the audience, such as learning a new skill that is important for student, gaining information. This is also because in advanced technology, gaining information is very important. Bringing about change in attitude, the nature of subject being tough. First one is relative cost in terms of time, money, and energy. Three things are very important regarding your relating cost in terms of time, money, and energy. The ability of the teachers to handle the aid. Whiteboard, a wipe-able board with a wide surface used for teaching or presentation. This is also easy to teach our presentation. Then there is some advantages: makes review or revision of lessons more convenient, makes it easier for the teacher to structure lessons, makes the learning process more fun, increase the level of engagement between teachers and students, allows students with various disabilities to learn better, brings convenience and flexibility in learning. Disadvantages like time requirements, insufficient training, size limitations, projection problems, remote access problem, high cost, eye health, and touch sensitive limitation. So these all are the advantages and disadvantages of their e-teaching tools. So I hope you like this video, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.